Hello students, in this session
Let us solve a question on principal stresses. This is the question of principal stresses. The stress state at a point in a material under plane stress condition is equibiaxial tension with a magnitude of 10 megapascal. If one unit on the stress, normal stress and shear stress, sigma and tau plane is 1 megapascal, the Mohr circle representation of the state of stress is given by four conditions are given. So basically, at a point, the state of stress at a point in the material under plane stress condition is biaxial tension and magnitude is given 10 megapascal, right? It means that the stress condition is like this, that a 10 megapascal stress is applied at x direction and y direction. That is 10 megapascal in x direction and 10 megapascal is in y direction, right? 10 megapascal is there in y direction, right? So this is given to us, right? And when the same stress is given, then you know that answer is directly can be obtained, that the Mohr circle becomes a point, right? So, and 1 megapascal is the markings are there, that after every 1 megapascal the points are counted, right? So this each point has a 1 megapascal of distance, right, equivalent to 1 megapascal. So we have to find out the Mohr circle representation, that the Mohr circle will be what will be the condition, right? Whether it is a circle with radius equal to principal stress, whether it is a point, whether it is a circle with 10 units of sigma tau, and whether it is a point on the tau axis. So what is the condition, right? So you should know that this is a point on the normal axis, right? Normal stress axis, right? So let us solve this question.
in this question we are given with a biaxial stress and the stress condition is same on both the directions. 10 megapascal in x direction if we are saying this is sigma x, and 10 megapascal in y direction if we are saying that this is sigma y. You know that when the stress condition is same and also the sign is same, both are tensile in nature, in that case the Mohr circle is actually a point, right? So it is given that one unit is 1 megapascal. This is given to us, right? So in this question you can see there that if we put here at this point, this will be a point basically, right? If I take the 10 units here, because this is 10 megapascal, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is 10 megapascal, right? So both are same, so both are same, sigma x and sigma y, and stress is normal stress is taken in this direction and shear stress we generally take in this direction, right? So if this is sigma x, if this is sigma x, same is sigma y, same is basically sigma y. So sigma y and sigma x are lying at the same point, and this is possible only when the Mohr circle become a point and there is no shear stress at any plane of this condition. There is no shear stress, right? And at any plane we will get the same stress condition of 10 megapascal and 10 megapascal, right? So the answer is basically, and this will be 10 units and the point will be 10 units away from the origin. This is our origin, so it will be 10 units away from the origin and it will be a point, right? So Mohr circle is a point basically, right, at 10 units, because 1 megapascal is 1 unit, so 10 megapascal is 10 units, right? Because this is 10 megapascal and this is also 10 megapascal. So point at 10 units from origin. So from origin it is 10 units, right? So this is basically option B. So option B is correct, right? So this is the answer of this question.